Hi everyone and welcome back. Happy Monday. It is past lunch, or no, you might be on your lunch. I've missed the last few Wednesdays and my plan is to make up for it and then some. So today I'm going to cover with you Zoom backgrounds. Did you know that Canva allows you to create your own Zoom backgrounds? So I had previously recorded this, and for whatever reason it didn't work out. There was a voice but no video. So I'm doing this for a second time. In the first video, I showed you how to go about this in two different ways. I'm going to go back here and just kind of keep it simple for the sake of clarity. I'd gone in from Search Canva and entered Zoom backgrounds, and a bunch of beautiful templates have come up. And if you want to go even more specifically, I'm not sure why these come up. However, phone wallpaper would make sense, but letterhead and stuff like that, I'm not sure why it came up, but I'm going to be more specific and check that off. So these come up, and aren't they gorgeous? I've always admired Canva for their quality of templates. Like, this is fantastic. So originally I'd gone in and done a fall setup with my logo, and I had also created one with a lizard. Don't know why I chose lizard, but I did. So let's go in and create something completely different, and I'll show you everything I'd come up with last time as well. So I am liking the idea of going with something connected to fall. However, I don't want to take too long. Let's just go with something like this, something floral. Keep in mind that if you're wanting to insert your logo, see, I'm not liking this now that it's come up. I'm just going to type in fall. Ooh, what about that? Nope. See, that's video. I think I want to try the video. But what comes up with that is that when you go to upload your logo, this will be too busy to add a logo unless you have a white background to it. Which, you know what? Everything happens for a reason, and I'm liking the idea that this came up and it is as busy as it is, so that we can go over all of your options, right? So I would leave it with the white background. I would actually put it down to the bottom right hand corner, and I would go ahead and download it as an MP4 file. Let's see what that gives us. I'm learning too, and there's this beautiful quote: the best way to learn something is to teach it. I really like that because, you know, it does make sense. You have to learn something thoroughly in order to be able to teach it and pass it on to others. So I'm going into my Zoom app down here. We are going to go in to find either you've put in a photo of yourself or a company logo. We're going to click on that. We're going to go to settings, and we're going to look for backgrounds and filters. Did you know that you can also change the setting to match your skin color? The options are more and more every time, and I love it. So this is the one. Hi everyone. This is the one that I had set up previously. Chromacam always comes up for me, and they're a thorn in my side. These are the two that I had previously set up. Now, to go in and install the new video, and I want to see how this goes as well, we're going to go in here, double click on that, and it will add. Now, I'm not sure if I like that. It's very, very picturesque. However, it would be hard to focus for the ones watching. I would actually think that I would have a hard time watching. I want to go into this option, if you're able to focus at all, on the bottom here, right, mirror my video. See how this switches things up. So if you've not put your logo to be mirrored, you would have to click that option. And with wow, I'm spinning. With most virtual meeting platforms, you do have the option to mirror. You also have the option to indicate that you have a green screen, which comes in handy as well. Studio Effects I've never dabbled into. I don't know if that's a good idea. Oh, no, it's so not. I didn't know you could fix eyebrows. Goodness gracious. Lip color. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Let's not do that today. We could get lost. Can you imagine wanting... No. Little humor for your happy Monday morning, afternoon, whatever time. So this is how you would do it. I would definitely recommend going into a static image instead of the moving, just for the sake of being able to concentrate, if nothing else. But if you've noticed here, because I've gone in and clicked the mirror my video or mirror my image, it's back to where it would have been had we not had that option offered. So I'm going in right here. Actually, let's go back here, go back up here, and I would go to my designs. I just want to be able to show you what, and this might be a little too lengthy. Nope, there we go. Here. So let's go to the this one here. So when you create it, this is what you see. The logo reads properly. When you go ahead and put it into the system, the logo doesn't, unless you've gone ahead and unclicked that. So think of when you're doing whatever in the mirror, the image that you're seeing is a reflection of. So if you want to mirror that, this is where your logo will be reversed. And you can actually mirror in here while you're creating the item. However, if you've forgotten to do that, you're in a rush, they give you the option here, which is quite handy of Zoom to have as an option. And I'm very grateful. And I mean, the same applies to everything that you've included any sort of writing on. So, and I didn't know about the studio effects, but I don't know if you haven't shaved your beard. I don't know. Anyway, if you have any questions, same as usual applies. Please get in touch with us. It would be our absolute pleasure to offer a video answer and any support or help that we can. Have an amazing day. Take care.